Hello students, in the previous videos we have done how to find mean in discrete and individual series. Now today we are going to discuss about median. Median is simply the middle term. Median means the middle term. Okay, so the steps for finding the medians are, first of all, arrange the given data in ascending order. Arrange the data in ascending order. So this is the first and foremost step and crucial step also. And then there arises two cases. If the number of the values or number of observation is even or odd. Two types of cases will be there. When there will be even numbers, when there will be odd numbers. For both there are two different formula for finding median. So for odd, it's very easy how to find median when the number of terms is odd. Like if n is equal to 5, number of observations are 5, then what is the formula? You will arrange the data in ascending order first, then the median will be n plus 1 over 2 th term. This is the formula for finding the median when the number of terms are odd. Okay, and when the number of terms, suppose n observations are there, n terms are there, then n is even number. When there is even number, then how to find the median? Median will be 1 over 2, you will take outside, big bracket, n over 2 th term plus n over 2 plus 1. We will not take the whole over, n over 2 separately plus 1 separately, th term, and then close the bracket. These two formula you will remember. For odd, this one; for even, this one. Okay. So next is mode. That's measurement of central tendency. Mean we have already done. Median and mode. Mode is the most occurring value. It's very easy, especially in individual series. Median is also given in individual series in your syllabus. It is more elaborately done, will be done in next senior classes. And mode in individual series is very easy, and discrete series is also given mode. It's very easy to find the most occurring value in the given data. Suppose we have 5, 6, 3, 6, 2, 1. So no need to arrange the data in an ascending order for finding the mode. So which value do you think is occurring the most number of time? It's 6. 6 occurring 2 times. So mode will be 6. Very easy. So let's move to the sum number 9 of your exercise. So it's till 8 we have done. 9th sum is find the median of following number of person in a society. The numbers are given to you, and for finding the median, the first and foremost step is to arrange the data in ascending order. We have arranged it in ascending order. Now we will count them. They are total 22. 22 in number. We will write, since n is equal to 22, which is even. I have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Total observations are 22, which is even number. So therefore, when there is even number of data, then how to find the median? You will write median is equal to 1 over 2. Formula you will write n over 2 th term plus n over 2 plus 1 th term, and then close the bracket. Okay. So 1 over 2 n is your 22. So we will put 22 here and 2, close the bracket, th term plus 22 over 2 plus 1 th term. 1 over 2, it's 11th. Okay, so it will be 11th term plus 11 plus 1, 12th term. This th is th, this th, 12th, 11th term and 12th term. And this from here, as we have arranged it in ascending order, I will count the 11th and 12th term from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, 12, 11, 12 is also 5 and 12th term is also 5. So 1 over 2 bracket 5 plus 5. 1 over 2, 10. So 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. So your median will be 5. Next is sum number 10. Sum number 9 was find the median. Sum number 10, find mode of the following data. Mode, you know, very easy. I have given you already one example of finding the mode. Most occurring value in the given data is called mode, and there is no rule for ascending and descending or for arranging them in ascending and descending order. So simply you will write like in the given sum, most occurring value is, what is the most occurring value? You can see from the data. Yes, it's 2, 2 and 2. 3 times 2 is occurring, 5 is occurring 2 times, 3 is also occurring 2 times. So most occurring value is 2. Therefore, mode of the given data is also 2. So it's very easy to find the mode, especially in individual and discrete series. Now second part of this sum you will do by your own. Simply you can see which is the most occurring value and you will write the mode. That value, like 26 is occurring maximum number of times. You will write that and 26 will be your mode. Okay. Now sum number 11. It was the individual series. Now the discrete series is given to you. Discrete series in which two sets of observation are given. So here marks obtained, you have to find the mode, and marks obtained are given and the number of students are also given. Like 36 are scored by 3 students. 37 marks were scored by 2 students in a class. 40 marks were scored by 5 students. So how to find the mode in this type of series? Very easy it is. You know which value is occurring the maximum number of times. You know maximum number of times, number. So I think the 17, as you can see from your data, the 17 times, which value is occurring the maximum number of time, which that is 45. So 17 will not be your mode will be 45, because 45 is occurring 17 times. 17 students got 45 marks. So 45 is repeating 17 times, so therefore the mode will be 45. How you will write this? You will write, since the most occurring value is 45, therefore mode is 45. Or you can say, since 45 marks are obtained by 17 students, the maximum number of students, therefore 45 is the required mode. Okay, thank you.